Welcome this video. Outdoor succulent gardening, landscape for front yard. Introducing succulent gardening. Have going popular in front yard landscape due to here low maintenance, natural double, resisting a sticky static appear. Whether you live in and around climax or simple want add water effect and stream landscape scrolling succulent often available solved we explored to benefit design principling large select and main entrance type for create a various outdoor succulent gardening in your front yard. Benefit of a succulent gardening water effect. Succulent stone water in their level make theme high double trolling than requested minimize water which help canvas water and read unity bill low main entrance unlike traditional lower and flower bed succulent request low care make theme idea for home owner how perfect low upkeep landscape aesthetic appear landscape come in a various of color shape and size allow for create and various sticky landscape design benefit by redeem The need for pans and experience water use succulent gardening convenient to sustainability landscape plants and design your front yard landscape gardening your space elevate the amount of sunlight solved type convenient in your front yard make succulent not succulent thief in full sun and well decision solved. Choose the design style modern minimalist use geometric agreement growing and grouping for sleep look landscape incorporating rock and sand to create a design inspire vases cottage succulent gardening bed succulent with flower planting for a soft remounting effect zone gardening plant succulent with decoration stone and rock sand for our request solved incorporating hardscape elements hardware functional such as part away rock gardening decoration pots and rock bed can add depends and succulent to your succulent create a focal point use long succulent plants like growing or architect agreement to draw attach to keep area of your front yard select complement group cover the portrait weather and add textile, use group, cover like canvas, create area, your succulent, best succulent for front yard landscape. Aloe design succulent with like that make excellent focal point. Succulent gardening main interest type